The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. Go. Now I start the lights go on. Oh, 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 oh. Time for bed, the lights go off. Oh, 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 oh. Umbrellas, umbrellas, umbrellas when it starts to rain.
Umbrella.
We lick our lollipops, we lick our lollipops. Oh, 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 we lick our lollipops. My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hold, the air came out. And bring your bowl back. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play.
So let's recap. G. And the sound is G. And the action is drain. Like this. We are giggling the drain. Okay? The letter is O. And the sound is O. O is letter. Sound is O. On, off. On, off. Like button. When we button on and off. To say what is the first sound? O. The letter is U. And the sound is A. And the action is up, up, up. The letter is L. And the sound is and the action is licking. The letter is F. The sound is and the action is fish, fish, fish. The letter is B and the sound is B, B. And the action is bed, ball, B. These are the third group of Jolly Phonics. Naeema Amin is sharing it, and I hope